Hello, welcome again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this commercial, crunchy and delicious. Guess what? Okay, let's get started. So I'll be using corn flour. I'll be using 200 grams of corn flour. I'll be using sugar. So the full recipe will be in the description section. Welcome to my channel, 360-degree baking explore. So I'll also be using 200 grams of flour. I'll be using margarine 80c. So this recipe is chin flakes using corn flour, milky chin flakes using corn flour. So I added milk flavor powder, a little bit of nutmeg and natural milk flavor, let me say industrial milk flavor, yes, and a little bit of vanilla flavor, and then my signature tiger nut milk and coconut milk for the extra creaminess and nutrients and richness also. So like this is the first step. You have to mix your corn flour with liquid. So I needed to add more water so that I can mix it very well into a slurry. Now while doing this, my water is on fire already, and then I poured my sugar. So in your boiling water, about 2 cups of water, then you add your corn flour mixture, and then you pour in the all-purpose flour and the margarine until it forms a starch like this. And after, then you cover it up and allow it to simmer while the power is off so it does not get burnt. Then after about 5 minutes, you just scoop it out. So I discovered this method of making chin flakes. Like, it's very crunchy, it's very nice, and it adds additional nutrients to it because of the corn flour. So I'll measure additional quantity of all-purpose flour is 500 grams. The total quantity of all-purpose flour I used was 1 kg. So after allowing your mixture to cool, you have to add extra flour for you to get a firm dough. This recipe is a commercial recipe, and like a business you can go to this Christmas season. Yes, you can make money this Christmas season by doing or by making simple snacks like this. So you have to keep adding your corn flour till it forms a dough, so you see the texture of the dough. So this is what will make it crunchy. It should not be too hard so that your chin flakes would be crunchy. So this recipe does not require baking powder or anything. So I added additional 300 grams of all-purpose flour here. So it's time for us to roll. We have to be generous with your all-purpose flour. Yeah, if you have watched this moment, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my returning viewers, my new viewers, my subscribers. Thank you for watching 360-degree baking explore. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your love. And if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe, and also share. Of course, share it. Someone somewhere might benefit from this video. So you have to make sure that your dough is very thin. You can see how thin it is. This is what will give you the crunchiness. Yeah, this is what makes it chin flakes. So now I'll do the cutting. I'll do the triangular cutting method, and I'll also show you the business aspect of this, how I calculated my costs and the profit you are going to make with this. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. So this is the frying. So when you are frying, make sure that it is not too burnt. So once it is golden brown, just scoop it out immediately. Cost of each of these ingredients will be shown on the screen. This is also a snack that you can go into. So I got about 1.5 kg of chin chin flakes from this whole recipe. So you have to allow it to properly cool before packaging. So it's time to package. So I'll be packing the small size, the small pack of 30 grams. I'll be selling this for 200 naira. So you can sell in beads, you can sell in packs, you can sell in dozens, you can sell in bulk. So if you want to make more recipes of this, all you have to do is just to double the ingredients. So you can get started with this quantity for commercial recipe, especially if this is your first time you want to go into snack business. Also, I'll be packaging into pouch too, so you have to make sure that your scale is set to 0. So for the size of this pouch, I measured 85 grams, and it will be selling for, I'll be selling it for 600 naira. You can sell yours for 700 naira. So I have added the cost of the packaging material. Don't forget to add the cost of your packaging material also. So you can sell this in supermarkets, you can sell this in schools, you can gift it to friends, to family. You can even sell it this Christmas. It's a very good snacks business idea for this coming Christmas season. So I got in total, after packaging it, I got 3 dozens and 4 pieces of the 200 naira pack. Now if I'm selling in dozen, that is, each dozen is 2,000 naira, so that is 6,800 naira for the 36 pieces, and no, for the 3 dozens and 4 pieces, 40 pieces. But if I'm selling in bits, that is about 10,300 naira. So I packaged 3 of this pouch. So you can also sell in plastic, in jars, etc. So this snack is simple, easy to make, so there's no excuse for you not to make money this Christmas season.